But Shalom, this week we will read parshat Tetsave. One of the interesting clothing elements which the high priest, a Kohen HaGadol, used to wear was the Ephod. On the Ephod there were two onyx stones on which were engraved the names of the 12 tribes of Israel, 6 on each stone. The Torah says that these names should appear ketoldotam, in the order of their birth. And there's a very famous debate between two important commentators of the Torah, Rashi and Rambam. What does it mean exactly, ketoldotam? Rashi says that it is according to the order they were born to their father Jacob, Yaakov Avinu, while Rambam says no, the order should be according to the mother. Therefore, first we should name the sons of Leah, then the sons of Bilhah, then the sons of Zilpah, and last but not least, the sons of Rachel, Rachel Imenu. What is the internal meaning of this debate? The Rebbe explains that both commentators differ in the way they see unity in front of God. Because what is the meaning of these stones with their engravings? They are a symbol of remembrance, that God will remember the 12 tribes of Israel and grant them His mercy, Chesed. Now, if you go according to Rashi, according to the order of birth by the father, the Rebbe explains that the father is the source of a child. He is the primary essence of the child. He provides the drop from which the child is created. Therefore, this is one level of unity in which everything is the same. All people are the same. They have a single source and they are united. But the mother represents another level of unity, the Rebbe explains. The mother is the one that transforms a single drop into a complex structure of organs, a full body. And therefore, the mothers represent unity which comes out of the differences. There are different groups within the people of Israel. There are different tribes and elements and groups and habits and traditions. And still we are all united in front of God. עם סגולה. והייתם לי לממלכת כהנים וגוי קדוש. שבת שלום.